Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding World. I am Vivek here. So my previous video was about Ping Master app. This app teaches us how to use our keyboard and it will likely to double our typing speed. So today in this video I am going to share with you keyboard keys name and its function. So for that I had downloaded a image to make you understand in a better way. So let's start the video. So starting from these topmost keys, these keys are known as function keys, and here every key has its unique function. For example, this F1 button, button is used for activating help window. This F2 is used for renaming file or folder, and this F3 is for cancelling the previous action. So these keys are known as function keys. Now next is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used for typing alphabets. Then coming to these numeric keys. Numeric keys are used for typing numbers quickly. Then this blow button. These keys are known as cursor keys or arrow keys. Uh, this keys is used for moving the cursor in your direction. Now coming to single buttons. This escape button. Uh, this is this escape button is used for closing any window or pop-up window. This tab key is used for giving a long space between two words. Caps lock key is used for typing the alphabets in capital letter, and the shift key, the symbol displayed on the function keys. Now enter key, it is a alternative to the OK button. It is used for finishing the entry and entering the desired process. Now the last is delete key. Delete key is used for deleting the alphabets or numbers. So all this for this video guys. If you want, I can bring the practical part of the keys functions, and I am looking forward to bring new videos related to my course. So thank you so much for you watching this video, and bye for now, and I will see you in my next video.